Same math, 4 result. Which one is correct? Jeremy, Michael, Shannon, and Brenda each worked the same math problem at the chalkboard. Each student's work is shown below. Their teacher said that while two of them had the correct answer, only one of them had arrived at the correct conclusion using correct steps. So first we have to find out what is happening with Jeremy's work. Here is x to the power 3 times x to the power minus 7. So as per negative exponent, look, it's an interesting thing. As per negative exponent, we know a to the power minus n. It means 1 divide a to the power n. So here is x to the power minus 7. It's a negative exponent, but as per law of exponent, it's incorrect, right? It should be x to the power 7, not negative 7. Therefore, this is incorrect. Next one, here is Shannon's work, x to the power 3 times x to the power minus 7. This is a correct option or step. And next time, x to the power 3 divide x to the power 7, we can write, we know once base are same. Once base are same, in division, power will be subtract. So this case, x 7 minus 3, it means 1 divided x to the power 4. So this is a correct one. How about Michael's work? X to the power 3 times x to the power minus 7. He is writing x cube divide x to the power minus 7. This is a incorrect statement, right? And what about Brinda's work? His steps is okay, step okay, but in conclusion it's not okay. If he want to write like this way, he can write like x to the power 3 divide x to the power 7, x to the power 3 minus 7, that means x to the power minus 4, which is equals to Shannon's work. So it's also wrong answer, but step was okay. So this case, which one is correct? Shannon's work is correct, which is x to the power 3 times x to the power minus 7. It will be x to the power 3 minus 7. That means x to the power minus 4. We can write 1 divide x to the power 4, right? Or we can write like x to the power 3 divide x to the power 7, and finally 1 divided x to the power 7 minus 3. So 1 divide x to the power 4. This is our best one. So Shannon's work is totally perfect. His step and conclusion, everything is perfect. So he or she is right. So this question is very important. You will face these kinds of problem at examination hall. So once you have good practice, you will find the answer correctly. So please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you.